My baby had to shovel her way out there in them Chi-Town streets right from the house. The snow is like a good foot high, all the way to her thighs. I just got through doing the front. I'm not done. But she said she wanted to do the back to shovel to her car. She wanted to shovel to her car in these Chi-Town streets. So she's doing all this just to go get her shovel out the garage. And I told her to be careful because it is 1.5 foot high. She can't step over it. She have to step through it, but she wants to use my shovel, start at the very bottom, to shovel her way all the way to that part down the stairs, which is in these Chi-Town streets. Okay, you okay? You want me to take over, or you just trying to get you a workout? Okay. It's a whole foot. Now, y'all see how tall my wife is? That snow is to her ass. I know she got a fat ass, and that motherfucking snow is right by her ass. So she has to be careful because I only have one wife. All right? But you did a good job in the last, 1.5 minutes? You're a big girl, like stronger. Hey, no. Don't hold your back to the steps. Accidents can happen. No, forget that. So you want me to go downstairs, man, because
yeah.
you're not thinking right now. You just had your back to them steps, and I ain't with that. You know, see that? No, you can't do that, darling, because it's a lot down there. You got to go down there and then shovel, darling. You know, unless you want to do it the hard way, the way you're doing it now, shoveling your way down. I know people like, shut up and let her do how she gonna do it. That's all y'all women do. If I let you do how you want to do it, you go on face first. There you go. There you go, babe. Now, I'm walking. Look how I look walking in this snow. Hold on. My whole body down here. And my wife is trying to get to the garage. And I'm 6 feet tall. This is almost 3 feet. There she is behind me. Okay. So, I ain't got no hat on. So as you get down the stairs, it's going to be a little bit difficult for you to get through here. So, grab this, face it towards me, and let me show you how to do it in these Chi-Town streets.
Where your gloves? Let me go get your gloves.
No, I just came out here for you, babe. I'm going to be just a minute, okay? I can't stand it, you know? you got to take care of people. And the back...
It's not recording. Why is it recording my hand?
There you go. They have to
Oh.
See, the back don't have to be shoveled like the front.
Yeah.
You know? Because you got residents coming in the front. You just need to shovel it down.
You better not get sick. You don't have no hat on.
Get sick.
No hat.
I'm gonna get sick. I'm doing the basement and I'm coming up here because my kids don't want to do anything but learn. They're in school, right?
Mm-hmm. Let me move.
You know what? I think you better go get my hat and gloves.
I know.
Give me that. Hey, right there where you can get them. Okay. Thank you. All right. Okay. So little people want to know what my hat say. You can read my hat and it says God look like me. So I'm out here like the Lord. All right. Let me try to get down here within 2 minutes. So. Okay.
Okay. Well, at least it's not that hard snow. It didn't get hard yet.
It's heavy though.
It's heavy, yeah.
And it's hard at the bottom because of the salt I had down. So as I go, you're gonna see it's gonna be hard on the ground.
That's crazy. Look at that damn snow. Do you need to take a break?
Huh? You trying to stop my momentum? What's up?
Nothing.
Do I take a break on you? No. You be like, don't stop.
Okay, go ahead, finish.
See, I dig a good feet and I come back. I get the hard stuff up.
That's our backyard. I don't know how much on the roof though. Oh, look at all that snow on top of the garage.
Okay. That's how you can tell how much came down.
Yep.
That's about 24 inches up there.
That's a shovel right there.
Yeah. We almost there.
Almost there. No, if the snow is real bad out there in the garage, I can't you're gonna have to take me to work. I said you're gonna have to take me to work tomorrow.
Why?
Cause if it looked like this right here, imagine how the alley look.
I'm gonna say something stupid like, ain't nobody getting sick tomorrow. Ain't no hospital. We there. I'm trying to keep falling.
My face is so freaking cold.
Is it?
Yep.